a fall while running. It's small, but it'll get bigger. And so we're going to put this violin, which is a non-woven cloth. It'll adhese the patch together. It's got a bit of glue on the back. I'll just quickly iron it over, then we'll do some stitching. Turn the leggings inside out. You can see the hole here, and you can see the fabric behind, but if I pull, you can hear the glue will come undone as unattach itself from the top stretchy fabric. It's there to keep it stable. When we've stitched it, then it will stay stable enough. This is woolly nylon. It's the best yarn for stitching sportswear. It stretches, a slight stretch, and it doesn't tear. So I'm going to come in from the edge, and eventually we'll just hide that and do a stay stitch. And 1, 2, because it's black and it's got this great pattern on it, we're not going to see a lot. And then I'm going to just do that usual stitch, a running stitch, across one way and across the other. This is the way that we mend knitwear when we're doing small knit holes, but we do it within the whole fabric. So you can see there's a slight line there. I shall go back and forth all the way in one direction, and then back and forth all the way in the other. When you darn, you lift up and put the threads underneath. I'm not really doing that, but it's the same sort of concept. The only thing you want is you want a bit of stretch. So I won't be making this very tight. This is the mend. So the split was across. I put running stitches either side and gently pulled the centre together, and then went around it and up and down a bit. It's flat. It looks curled when you see it in the picture, but it's flattish. So it's not going to hurt knees or anything when you do yoga or whatever. And in the back, the fabric stayed, but when I got to the end, I just gently teased off the surplus there. And that will wash. It won't come off in the wash, and this will work very well. It'll save a very high quality pair of leggings.